Welcome to Triple Level Travel, your ultimate pass to explore Minneapolis, Minnesota. 3 unforgettable ways. Whether you're rolling in on a $1,000 budget adventurer plan, leveling up with our $3,000 mid-tier traveler, or going all out with a $15,000 VIP luxury experience, Minneapolis has something for every travel style. From lakeside eats and underground music to elite art tours and penthouse dining, we're unlocking this Midwest gem at every price point. Buckle up. It's time to experience the Twin Cities, 3 budgets at a time. Level 1, Budget Adventurer, $1,000. Exploring Minneapolis on a $1,000 budget means balancing lake views with budget bites and plenty of urban adventure. Pick up a 3-day unlimited Metro Transit pass for just $12, giving you full access to buses and light rail. Rest your head at Minneapolis International Hostel, where a dorm bed runs $45 per night, totaling $135 for 3 nights. It's centrally located, friendly, and walkable. Ideal for travelers looking to stretch every dollar. This weekend is about street eats, free culture spots, and squeezing the best of the Twin Cities out of every crisp bill. Start your Minneapolis adventure at Al's Breakfast, a cozy Dinkytown staple. Order the Jose, hash browns topped with poached eggs, cheddar, and homemade salsa, plus a plain Belgian waffle for $17. Hop on the light rail to Minnehaha Falls, a stunning city, waterfall, surrounded by wooded trails. It's free, photogenic, and refreshingly serene. For lunch, head to Sea Salt Eatery and try the walnut cheese veggie burger with clam fries for $28. In the afternoon, browse the Minneapolis Institute of Art, where entry is free and a $5 souvenir postcard adds a nice touch. Dinner lands at Matt's Bar, home of the legendary Juicy Lucy burger. Pair it with fries and soda for $22. Day 1, total, $72. Kick things off at Hen House Eatery, digging into the Crab Baby Eggs Benedict, crab cakes with Cajun hollandaise, hash browns, and a hot chocolate for $26. After breakfast, take a scenic walk across the Stone Arch Bridge, where the Mississippi River meets a skyline of old mills and glass towers. For lunch, swing by Holy Land Deli in Northeast and enjoy their T-bone lamb chops with a canned soda for $24. In the afternoon, head to Nicollet Mall for shopping. Stop at Target's flagship store and Marshall's and grab a $75 mix of Minneapolis souvenirs and accessories. Cap the day at My Burger, where a California burger, fries, and a fountain drink will cost you $25. Day 2, total of $150. Start your final day at Keys Cafe and Bakery, a homegrown favorite with the Keys everything. 3 eggs, 4 kinds of meat, veggies, cheese, and hash browns, served with multigrain toast and iced tea for $25. Afterward, hop the light rail to Mill Ruins Park, where crumbled mills and the Mississippi shoreline offer peaceful morning views, completely free. For lunch, grab a seat at Rectangle Pizza at Malcolm Yards and order the Shredder, a cheesy, spicy hit for $30. In the afternoon, visit the Wiseman Art Museum, an architectural marvel with rotating exhibitions and free to enter. Wrap up at the local, savoring fish and chips with tartar sauce and a lemonade for $28. Day 3, total $83. Final budget breakdown. Transportation, 3-day Metro Pass, $12. Lodging, 3 nights at $45, $135. Day 1, total $72. Day 2, total $150. Day 3, total $83. Grand, total $452. Level 2, level up tier, $3,000. Minneapolis rewards the curious, especially when you've got $3,000 to unlock its most polished corners. Forget the tourist checklist. This weekend is all about Nordic modern comfort, rooftop views, and curated culture. Your rides come via Uber, Lyft, Move, My Wheels, or Rids, with sleek pickups adding up to around $250 total for 3 days of door-to-door convenience. Rest comes easy at the Hewing Hotel in the North Loop, an industrial chic warehouse-turned-loft haven where a night runs about $300, totaling $900 for 3 nights of timber beams, leather couches, and rooftop fire pits. This isn't indulgence. It's intelligent access to the best version of the city. Begin your Minneapolis escape with brunch at the Copper Hen, enjoying their signature savory waffle Benedict and a cold brew for $35. Then explore bold exhibits at the Walker Art Center. Entry is $18 and includes the adjacent Minneapolis Sculpture Garden, where the Spoon Bridge and Cherry awaits your camera roll. For lunch, ride to Union Rooftop and try the grilled oysters and fish and chips with a local craft beer for $50. In the afternoon, paddle across Bide Maka Ska on a guided kayak tour with paddle bridge for $55. Cap the day at Bar La Grassa, enjoying rich fettuccine alfredo and a decadent gyros cheesecake for $33. Day 1 total, $191. Kick off the morning at the Lynn Hall, ordering the classic eggs Benny, poached eggs, Peterson shaved pit ham, English muffin, and hollandaise, with a latte for $28. After breakfast, explore the bold galleries of the Museum of Russian Art, where entry is $15. For lunch, head to Hi Hi and enjoy Malaysian popcorn chicken and a Panda Punch cocktail for just $20. In the afternoon, shop at Martin Patrick 3, one of the city's most upscale boutiques. Budget $150 for a sleek designer accessory or gift. Dinner is a highlight at Spoon & Stable, where the 7-ounce strip loin steak, creamy spinach, and a chilled white Riesling come to $75. Day 2, total $288. Start with breakfast at Cafe Ceres, indulging in their ham and cheese croissant with chocolate chip tahini cookies and Turkish coffee for $30. Afterward, explore the Mill City Museum, a riverside relic turned interactive history hub with entry at $12. For lunch, savor a tacos trio and loon juice cider at Centro for $25. In the afternoon, stroll through Minnehaha Regional Park or hop on an electric scooter, budget $10 for casual cruising. As night falls, head to the Dakota, where a live jazz show and a 2-course dinner of shrimp risotto, chocolate torte, and a glass of red wine round out the night for $85. Day 3 total, $162. Final budget breakdown. Lodging, 3 nights at the Hewing Hotel, $900. Transportation, Uber, Lyft, Move, My Wheels, Reds, $250. Day 1 total, $191. Day 2, total, $288. Day 3, total, $162. Grand, total, $1,791. Level 3, VIP Luxury, $15,000. Minneapolis, wrapped in silk and skyline glow. With $15,000 to spend, you're gliding through the Twin Cities in a chauffeured Rolls-Royce Ghost. $5,500 for 3 days of whisper, quiet luxury. Your stay? The Four Seasons Minneapolis, where 3 nights in the presidential suite run $6,000 and deliver panoramic views, private spa access, and round-the-clock butler service. From private glass-blowing sessions to lakeside tasting menus, this is Minneapolis rewritten as a portrait of opulence. Every detail bold, bespoke, and basking in candlelight. Begin your morning with an in-room chef-curated breakfast at Four Seasons Minneapolis. Smoked sturgeon Benedict, saffron potatoes, and fresh citrus juice for $110. Midday, unleash your creativity during a private glass-blowing session at Blown Glass Studio, crafting your own keepsake for $650. For lunch, visit Tullabee inside the Hewing Hotel, enjoying their steak and eggs, winter kale salad, and a mimosa for $75. In the afternoon, feel the thrill with a 2-flight indoor skydiving experience at IFly Minneapolis. $102, certificate included. As twilight paints the skyline, dine at Mara, savoring grilled lamb chops, crispy potatoes, and the L'Orange cocktail for $100. Day 1 total, $1,037. Start your morning with breakfast at RH Rooftop Restaurant, savoring their American breakfast, charred broccolini, and matcha latte beneath chandeliers and garden walls for $45. Afterward, take flight with Minneapolis helicopter charters, enjoying a private aerial tour over downtown, the chain of lakes, and the Mississippi River Gorge. 30 unforgettable minutes for $575. Lunch awaits at Julia, where pan-seared salmon, soup, and a glass of La Rosa total $53. In the afternoon, shop in style at Pumps in Galleria Edina. Budget $500 for personal styling and luxury accessories. Conclude at the Ocean Air Seafood Room, feasting on surf and turf, lobster mac, and Chardonnay for $150. Day 2 total, $1,323. Ease into your final day at the Four Seasons Spa, where a 90-minute personalized massage followed by a diamond peptide facial sets the tone for indulgence. $600 for utter renewal. Next, brunch at Belcourt Bakery at Cook's, indulging in a maple sausage breakfast sandwich, a grapefruit meringue tartlet, and velvety hot chocolate for $35. Continue your elegant journey at Di Nolo, where curated fashion meets refinement. Select a silk scarf and designer handbag, totaling $700. Spend a peaceful hour at Fragment Coffee, enjoying a rooftop espresso and views for $10. As the sun dips low, dine at PS Steak, ordering the dry-aged bone-in ribeye with a deep house red for $220. Day 3 total, $1,565. Grand total, lodging, 3 nights at Four Seasons Presidential Suite, $6,000. Transportation, Rolls-Royce Ghost with chauffeur, $5,500. Day 1 total, $1,037. Day 2, total $1,323. Day 3, total $1,565. Grand total $15,425. And that's a wrap on triple level travel, Minneapolis. Whether you explored lakes and landmarks on a $1,000 budget, sipped rooftop cocktails with $3,000 to spend, or rewrote the skyline in a Rolls-Royce with $15,000, one thing's clear. Minneapolis knows how to surprise. 3 budgets, 3 bold ways to experience the Twin Cities. Now it's your turn. Which level would you choose? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe so you never miss a minute of the next adventure. New city drops soon, and trust us, you'll want front row seats. All prices and experiences are accurate as of 2025, but may vary over time depending on availability, season, and changes to local businesses.